And greetings from Australia. My name is Ruth and I am an Australian registered migration agent and a solicitor or lawyer of the Supreme Court and High Court of Australia. In this video, I will be sharing with you on the updates of subclass 494 visa. Now, prior to this video, I've also posted another video with detailed information on subclass 494 visa, and you're most welcome to watch my previous video on the link below. Now, I note that the information in this video is not to be treated as legal advice, but it will give you vital information concerning your case. The subclass 494 visa will be eligible for applicants in a designated area. Now, where is a designated area? So the definition of designated area can be anywhere in Australia except for Sydney, Melbourne, Perth, Brisbane, and the Gold Coast. So if you're anywhere outside these areas, then potentially this could be a visa option for you. Now, this visa will have two streams. The first one is the employer-sponsored stream, and the second one is the labor agreement stream. This visa will require sponsorship by an employer. Hence, if you are interested in this visa, you have to have an employer to sponsor you. SAF levy will also apply to the employer, so at the time of application, your employer will be mandated to pay a huge levy. Applicants will need to be under 45 years of age at the time of application, unless exemption applies. Applicants will also have to meet skills assessment requirements, so that's so important. So if you're looking at doing this visa, then the first thing that you need to do is skills assessment, and that's through an Australian recognized body, and that would depend on the type of occupation that you are nominating for. An applicant will not be required to undertake skills assessment where the applicant's skills was assessed as suitable for the same occupation and if it was made within 3 years. So if you've got a currently valid skills assessment result, then you can use that as part of the application. Or if the applicant holds a subclass 457 or 482 visa and have previously already been assessed by the assessing authority. So if you are a visa holder of 457 and 482 and you have previously been assessed as meeting those requirements, then potentially you may also be exempted from skill assessment. Now, the skill assessment must not be made for subclass 485. This is very, very important because we have had clients, they run us and they say, oh, we went through this whole application ourselves, not particularly for the 494, but previous applications. And then they found out that the skill assessment was not actually meeting the requirements because it's different. So just make sure that your skills assessment is for the specific program that you're applying under. And if the assessment was made on the basis of a qualification obtained in Australia while the applicant held a student visa, then the qualification must have been obtained as a result of a registered course. Now, if you apply and are granted this visa, then you must comply with the conditions of the visa. There are scenarios in which a visa can be cancelled under Section 116 of the Migration Act. For example, if the visa holder did not have a genuine intention at the time of grant to perform the nominated occupation, or if the holder has ceased to have a genuine intention to perform that occupation, or the position associated with the occupation is not genuine. So that means if you're nominating or if you're nominated under a 494 visa on X occupation, then you have to try your best to meet those requirements. You have to continue to work in the same occupation, right? Failure of which will lead to cancellation. Now, the information in this video is to be treated as general information only. Please do not treat this as legal advice. We assess each case on a case-by-case basis. With the ever-changing laws of immigration, it is vital that you obtain updated advice that suits your particular case, because each case is different. If you are an Australian employer looking at sponsoring overseas worker, or if you're a visa applicant requiring advice, please do not hesitate to contact us on the email address below, and I'd be very happy to assist you. Thank you, and I wish you all the very best.